po ako sa Jinseo. Arigato. Congratulations sa inyo lahat. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo, mga OFW. Salamat po. Salamat po sa mga Pilipino. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.
First of all, I would like to take this moment to express my deepest gratitude to the award giving body for the Jinseo Arigato Champion of Life Award. No? And this special award is truly a profound honor. With or without award, I am grateful and honored to always serve the Filipino people. Then ako po'y naniniwala na ang serbisyo po sa tao, serbisyo po yan sa ating Panginoon. As your Senator, I assure you that I will continue to advocate for the welfare of overseas Filipino workers, OFWs. As we celebrate the achievements of filmmakers, I urge you to support our film industry. By supporting Filipino movies, we not only uplift our local artists and create jobs for our people, but also bring a piece of home closer to our hearts. Our stories, our culture, and our talents deserve to be showcased on the international stage. Let us all be proud ambassadors of Philippine cinema. At sa akin naman pong award, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, with or without award, patuloy po ako magsiservisyo sa inyo.